Welcome to the Fill 300, your brand new state-of-the-art packing machine. After opening the box containing your Fill 300 and removing it, the first thing you'll need to do is take out the transit bolts. There are 3 transit bolts in the bottom of your machine which will be painted red. Use the spanner provided to take out the transit bolts. Make sure to store them somewhere safe in case you need to move your machine in the future. Now take the top off by undoing the 2 side clips. Look inside the machine and make sure no wires have come loose in transit. Once you are happy that all the wires are secured, put the top back on. Get your power cable and plug it into the power socket, then turn the machine on. Now your machine is turned on, you can use the plus and minus buttons on the control panel to change the weight that you want the machine to weigh out to. Put the product you are wanting to weigh into the top hopper. Use the gate on the top hopper to adjust the flow of your product through the machine. When you are ready to begin, select one of the 3 speed settings, then press the start button and the machine will start to weigh out your product. Once your product is weighed out into the internal hopper, press the foot pedal or place your bag under the Magic Eye sensor to dispense it. When you want to stop dispensing, wait until the machine has finished weighing, then press the stop button. After this, to clear any products left in the machine, simply press and hold the empty button. Your Fill 300 is now set up and ready to use. We thank you again for your purchase and please feel free to get in touch if you need any further assistance with setting up.